Curves are a powerful tool in Lightroom Classic 2024 that can dramatically transform your photos. Today, I'll show you 5 essential tips to help you master curves and take your photo editing, I should say, to the next level. Okay, tip number 1 is adjusting the overall contrast. Curves allows you to fine-tune the contrast in your images by creating what's called an S-curve. To do this, you'll pull the lower part of the curve slightly down to darken the shadows and raise the upper part to brighten the highlights. This classic S-curve adjustment is simple but effective, enhancing both the depth and the dimension of your photo. Tip number 2, using curves in masks. In Lightroom Classic 2024, you can use curves within masks to adjust specific areas of your image without affecting the whole picture. Simply create a mask over the area you want to adjust, then apply a curve adjustment to just that mask. This targeted approach is perfect for drawing attention to focal points or correcting exposure in parts of your image. Tip number 3, color correction. Apart from adjusting brightness, curves can also be used to correct color balance. By switching to the red, green, or blue channel in your curves panel, you can fine-tune the colors individually. Adjusting these channels can help you eliminate unwanted color casts or enhance the mood of your image. Hey, if you could take a minute right now and subscribe to my channel and click that like button, I really appreciate it. It does help the channel. Thanks a lot. Okay, tip number 4, Midtone Contrast. You can also add depth with Midtone Contrast. Sometimes images lack depth and they feel kind of flat. You can use the middle part of the curve, the midtones, to add or reduce contrast, which can give your photo a more dynamic look. Just a small tweak to the midtones can make a huge difference in how your photo feels and looks. Okay, tip number 5, creative toning. Curves aren't just for correction or contrast. They are also a fantastic creative tool. By creating dramatic curves, you can achieve unique effects like a vintage look or a cross-process appearance. You can experiment with different shapes in your curves to see how it changes the mood and style of your photo. Mastering curves in Lightroom Classic really opens up a world of possibilities for both correcting and creatively enhancing your images. Practice these tips to make the most out of this very powerful tool in Lightroom Classic. Take care, everyone.